Hey everybody, here's your update from LaPosa South in Quartzsite, Arizona. As you can see here, it's picking up. More and more rigs have pulled in. Quite a few since I left a couple days ago. I actually had to park in a different spot. I'm parked about 150 yards, I guess it would be east of my last location. As you can see, even towards the back of the LaPosa South, it's filling in a little bit. It's still space here. You're not right on top of one another unless you're up towards the front and choose to be. There are a couple meetups here. One is Next Exit, a couple that put on that channel. They're having their meetup here, and there's another one I didn't recognize. It was RRV, or maybe some of you can fill me in on that one. I'm not familiar with that one. Maybe a different channel. But you can see the number of rigs is really increased out here. You see back towards the area where I'm camping and where I was camped over there. Looking now towards the gate of LaPosa South here. And you can see the difference, the change in it. And we'll fly up the wash a little ways, and so you can see what you can see here. Off in the distance, almost dead straight ahead, I believe that's Q Mountain there, right? That little mountain on the right there. A lot of the, you can see how they've circled the wagons there on the right there. They've got all their rigs in a circle. That's one of the meetups. I saw the signs. I can't tell you which one it is, though. I'm sorry. It was pretty much a beat from being at Nomads, helping Nomads in Ehrenberg, and trying to get parked just so I could relax, put my feet up. Be sure to watch for that video too. I'll be coming out with that video tomorrow evening or Tuesday morning. It was a really great event and some really wonderful people I met there. So if you get a chance, take a look at that video. It's heartwarming. But as you can see, the closer you get to the front, the more dense the groups of RVers are. You see on the left there, they're right on top of each other. It might as well be in an RV park, some of them, but some choose to camp together like that, and I understand. But I'm more of a, I like my space, I guess. Looking up back towards Quartzsite and the showgrounds back over there, you see that, you almost see the big tent there. I think that big white thing on the left there. But you see down those the big rigs there. Kind of give you an idea what's going on. It's still not normal capacity, I'm sure. Although, however, I did go past LaPosa North and West, and it probably doubled in the number of rigs that were there. Still a little space there, but it's still a lot more than it was 2 days ago. And the activity has picked up in town, a lot busier. The parking lot, the free parking over by the showgrounds there, was packed when I went by this afternoon about 2 o'clock. Of course, the big tent opened up this weekend. I'm going to try to get in there tomorrow or Tuesday and take some video for you to see what's going on in the big tent. Show you a few things there, and I promised someone I'd stop by a grilled cheese booth there. So it sounds like it's a gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches. It's right up my alley, so and I'll share that with you too. But Sophie and I are resting. She's been out cold. She's tired. She had a good time at Nomads, helping Nomads. Lots of kids playing with her. Lots of adults coming up to pet her. And she didn't get her normal naps in, so she's in bed early. But remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you. The subscribers have been with me since day one. I appreciate all your comments. Incredible feedback I'm getting to you, and I'm listening to you. The content you're requesting is going to be coming back. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.